Greetings, everybody. I don't know, say Negus Imara. I don't know, say One Nation and Imara Nation. Give thanks. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit notification bell so we can grow the fam. You understand? Up move. So, wake up today. See a bunch of people tagging me. A bunch of people DMing me. This interview Elephant Man did with The Fix. We just want to say big up Nara. Ari, big up on itself. I don't know the whole nightly fix or The Fix, which it is now, The Fix. We just want to say big up those individuals, big up your platform. I got a lot of laughs and a lot of knowledge from your platform, so I'm gonna give thanks for that, you see me. But The Fix did an interview today with the legendary Elephant Man. You understand? One of my favorite artists, top 5 dead or alive. Elephant Man went down in my book. Elephant Man is standing tall with the Vibes Cartels and the Idonias, the Busy Signals, the Assassins, because that was my era of dancehall. You understand what I say? And watching a lot of American TV, because we didn't have cable at that time. We had look up it. You understand what I say? We didn't have cable, so I watch the MTVs and I watch the BETs, you know, and seeing Elephant Man representing more than the other artists them I'm call, the Vibes Cartels, the Assassins, the Idona, the Busy them, the Mavado them. Elephant Man was and is still a top representative of dancehall music from then till now. So we have to give Elephant Man in praises. We have to give Elephant Man in roses, in flowers. All of the feel good accolades, then we need to give it to Elephant Man because him deserve it. So as me I say, I got up to these messages on social media, and everybody was so in a rush to send me the interview. Is either them try to tag me in it for me to repost it, or just straight up DM me trying to be the first. But no one never sent me the timestamp, so I could just go straight to it. So I had to watch the entire interview in its entirety, which I would have done anyway because, as I said, Elephant Man is a legend in my eyes. You know, is a legend in my book. You know, and everybody know me if I play the role. You know, Shithel. You know, making fun of or using his voice to create, you know, what I think is fun content or creative content. But Elephant Man didn't see it that way, you know, which is fair, you know, because not everybody like my content. But Elephant Man, he had a few things to say, and we're just going to go through it right now. And we're just going to pick apart everything that was said and explain further. But anyway, we're just going to dive right into it right now. So let's go.
Can you unblock Negus?
Right.
You want know. You want with Negus.
I'm black with friend Negus.
You want one.
Negus is our
If
friend.
you Negus
friend.
now, you want with Negus.
Yeah.
You want like. As me tell you, me do music and me take when me do serious. Saying I don't do it for the money because I am money. I put in that amount of work. This is Elephant Man. I am be known all over the world and I'm loved all over the world.
Yes.
You can't have everybody love you, and you not have everybody with hate you. You gotta have some hate, some like. Negus now is like, me just feel like sometimes the brother take it too far. And this is my thing and my image and me when me set and me read. Bro, too much clown out thing. Remember we are Jamaica. Me not do no, bro, too much clown out. Why you never do something positive yet about Elephant? Why you just never say, all right, we're clowning out the thing all long now. Why you never just say, all right, you know what? Do something positive. Do something where Ellie can shake him and say, Ray. Why you never take some Ellie song and you say, Ray? Why you never? No, you don't do that. You just keep on clowning out the thing and me say something where me not like. When you do your thing, big up Negus, keep on do your
Because
thing.
he says he's clearly a fan of this.
He's a fan, but when me I try tell you,
like
sometimes me see something, remember my brand in my gym.
Yeah.
Well, pause that right there, sir. Elephant Man is 100% correct. And to you, Elephant Man, one of my top 5 DJs dead or alive. I apologize sincerely for anything or any video that I've created that left a bad taste in your mouth. My intention was just to make people laugh, not to hurt anyone's feelings. I know that I got lost in the likes and the comments and the hundreds and thousands of views that I never once stopped to think, how would this make Elephant Man feel? Someone who I look up to, someone who I give legendary status, because as I said in my book, you're a legend. Elephant Man to me is what Vybz Kartel is to a lot of people. And Vybz Kartel is top 5 dead or alive for me too. But at my time, being introduced or being a lover of music, Elephant Man was definitely the person in my book I'm going to say, yo, this is my artist. Because, you know, Busta Rhymes, look at John and them, and we used to listen to them, man, and stab your fingers, you know, Pastor Cavassier, and then when we look, we see Elephant Man with them same artists, yeah, I represent for Jamaica. So I see them thing, them, I say, yo, Jaja, that is my artist. And then now we start listening to the Twins of Twins, and we start catch the Elephant Man voice now. We just start make content with it, and the people them love the content. And I definitely lost my way. And I did take it too far at times. But one thing I don't agree with is you say I never said or done anything positive in regards to Elephant Man name or brand. I've always said Elephant Man is a legend still. You know, legends never die. You know, Elephant Man has done and is doing great things for Jamaica and dancehall music. So there are videos, and I just want to say big up yourself, Ellie. You understand? Big up yourself 100%, my brother. But we're gonna just continue the video real quick.
Me see something where in this time in music, you have to understand a man work too hard for you come clown out him things certain way where I see something where it offend me not try come and boy Negus, me not gonna do that. Me just say, yeah, what, I won't be supporting this and I block you. Yeah. So people say me not support certain thing. Me not support, and I say me I block you from what you do. Big up Negus, big up him thing where I do. But some bro, not even one of the thing you can do, one something where me can say, at least him a do the Ellie something them and him do one where me like. Everything I do.
Well, I'll pause that quick, my general. Again, we do have videos out there showing my respect and showing my love for the craft. But you know all the people them love negativity. The video I just did like 2 months ago, I did an interview where I said Elephant Man is a legend. And that video barely got 2,000 likes. That video that I said that you were a legend, which is still on my Instagram page right now and also my YouTube. And I think it's also on Facebook and on TikTok. But I'm speaking about Instagram. That video barely got 2,000. I don't even think it's at 2,000 likes right now. But all the other videos that I've done where I've been silly, I've been cloning out your brand, as you said, which I totally agree with you. Having a brand is a very serious thing. You have to always protect your brand. So I totally agree with what you're saying. But yeah, the videos that shed a positive light on Elephant Man don't go anywhere. That's why it is seen that I've never done anything positive in regards to the Elephant Man name and brand. We know how Jamaica stay, my general. The video them where I'm acting silly and clowning your thing, as you say, it got shut up. Hundreds of thousands of views. Thousands of likes. But the video, I'm say, yo, Elephant Man is a legend. It doesn't go anywhere. So it might seem that I don't do anything positive when it comes to your name, but my general, I swear to God, I do. Because as I say, you are a legend in my book and in the eyes of millions of Jamaicans. Manners and respect every time, Ellie. We'll continue real quick.
Clown out. No, I'm not depend that, bro. My brand is from a bill, bro.
You need to know. You know what to do now.
Like, for instance, my boy got killer. Noah, yo, Ray. You know if you know a clown out killer. Oh, no, I do the thing, bro. No, I do the thing where, you understand? Negus a clown out the thing, bro. And me I say, yo, what? Me not go disrespect Negus. And me I know the type of man where I go up on internet and say Negus and red. No, I would never do that. Me nah.
This is my young comedian.
Yeah, and him a do him thing. But when me I try say,
when
bro,
it comes on you and your
you rate elephant and you say, yeah, do the comedian thing. Do the thing, but even drop in one thing where you say, you do something where me can say, well,
balance.
Yeah. Nothing not balance, bro. Just one bag of clown up. Me not depend that, my G. Man.
Fair.
Me not depend that.
Fair.
But big up Negus still, you know? You might go on do your thing, Negus, but you know the chap, bro.
Yeah, man, I just want to say, big up Elephant Man as well. Every time, a general. You understand what I say? As I say again, legendary in my book. Legend. You are a G. You are a god in this dancehall genre. You brought the spotlight to Jamaica multiple times when you end up on all these international collabs. You represent Jamaica every time you go up on these international stage. Worldwide. Representing for us. For me. We look up to them thing now. We say give thanks for artists like Ellie. So I 100% agree with what you're saying, and I can't even say you be dramatic when you say me a clown out the thing, my G. I literally wear a clown wig, and it's not no disrespect. It's just because you always have the color ear, and a lot of people misinterpret it and try to say that I am using it as a GAY representative because I fit them color and them something there, but it's actually a clown wig, and no GAY people no own no color to me. None of them no own no color, you no own no rainbow. Them colors that come from Jah. And none of them no own no color. So it's not no disrespect or try to make Elephant Man look GAY or anything like that. And speaking about that wig, from now on, Elephant Man, I will, if I'm doing a piece of comedy, utilizing your voice, I will never ever wear that wig again in my life. I'm going to burn that wig out of respect. And I've always wanted you to notice me because I'm a huge fan of yours. But the way you've noticed me is not in a good light. And I dislike myself for that. Every time you come to Georgia in Conyers at the horse park, right? I think it's Conyers or Covington for the Grace Festival. Elephant Man, I always come there because you're there. Every time you're performing at the Grace Festival in Conyers, in Georgia, I am there watching you perform and tear the house down. I've always thought of me and Elephant Man being in music videos as, you know what I mean? As the youth were using voice and, you know what I mean? But that will never happen. Why? Because the way I represented you isn't how you want to be represented. The fact that you said a clown out a thing, it hurt. I'm a huge fan of Elephant Man, and I did a disservice by playing with your brand, my brother. And I totally understand, and I'm not even mad, because if someone was playing with my brand, I would feel just as pissed. So as I said, I'm going to refrain from wearing that wig, and I will never do a piece of comedy that seems malicious. None of my content is malicious. As I said, I just feel like I got caught up in the likes, in the comments, and hundreds of thousands of views that I never once stopped to think, how would this make Elephant Man feel? You have all right to feel how you feel. You are not another artist. You are the energy god, a legend out of Jamaica. And we should respect and revere our legends. So Elephant Man, O'Neil Bryan, I, Negus Imara, sincerely apologize for any disrespect that I brought across to you and your brand. My intent wasn't to be malicious. I was just, again, caught up in the likes and comments and hundreds of thousands of views. From now on, I'll be careful with making content, utilizing your voice. Now I got to be mindful of how I represent myself and how I represent your brand as well, because I am indeed using a replica of your voice. I sincerely apologize, and I will never wear that wig again in my life. Blessings and honor to you, Elephant Man. More life, more joy, and prosperity, my brother. Blessings and honor. Make sure some like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit notification bell so we can grow the fam. You understand? Up move.